Clear, and then there's someone jumping around the corner.
I didn't see that.
Stayed right?
Oh my god.
That woman. If I can zoom into her fast enough, she's feeding one of the piggies on a rope. On a rope. Look at the little pig. Such a cool exhibit for a lot of animals coexisting. It really makes you think why humans can't coexist like that, and why we have to wear clothes. Yeah, and I can throw food at them and feed them, give them free housing. It sounds like a good thing, actually.
Government would never.
The government should. They should house us, feed us.
We're talking about jail.
Humans are born with sin. Remember that, the OssoFarms 2024. And up here, and this guy gets a cool view.
Because you have someone who has free will.
I've never met Will in my life. Such a cool first stop.
I'm gonna follow you.
Now we're gonna go to Teeny Town.
Stop walking so fast, I need to get in front of you.
I have to play it slow so my vlogger in crime can capture some footage.
We go in.
Uh-oh. Okay. Jenna's got a good plan. We're gonna go in through the police department. The deputy will never know. Oh!
The bank is right next to the police car, so if you get put in the cell, you can fucking...
Oh, Jenna's a genius. Jenna's crawling through. Alright. I'll see you on the other side. Shawshank Redemption. Hello. We made it in. Get the money. I am. I'm
Mission Impossible.
Credit, cash, give me some debit.
What are you guys doing in here?
Oh, we're not robbing, we swear.
To your left, you will see Cider Hill, an area where adults can taste hard cider, drink craft beer and wine.
Wait.
What? Jenna, we get to keep a pet snake.
I have boots. Why would you guys have the beginning when there was? It was an accident. Where are we going? I feel like belt. My pants falling down. Does anyone else see it?
We might have to resort to naked and afraid pretty soon if it
What?
gets dark out here.
I found you. I cut through the corn maze. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I cheated.
You shit in the corn maze?
I found you guys.
I told you to stay right.
He shit in the corn
If
maze?
you look on the map,
Did you guys? Thank you. I was in there for years.
They got thrown in the corn maze.
Thank you. You got a wedding gift?
I feel like if they got thrown in the corn maze, it's starting.
We have been stranded in the corn maze for about 20 minutes now, and Jordan's already revealed way too much to us.
I didn't tell him how.
Jamie, cut that out.
You gotta find out.
Jamie, cut that out.
You gotta find out on your own.
The first time. Let's see if it is. Let's try to survive the second time.
I almost cried. Oh, are you gonna do it on us now?
I did it on us on the entrance. Or I did it forward on the entrance. On
I don't want to be in the back. That's the only thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna. We got you. Where are we going?
cool shot of that. Oh, I can't see.
I can't see shit.
I'm ready to piss myself.
That's scary.
Oh god.
Oh no! Come on, Spider-Man! Let's go, Spider-Man! Oh, what the hell? Hold your breath.
That's not helpful.
Oh, I thought someone was gonna pop out of us right there.
Watch your left. Oh, I'm getting mesmerized.
Contact.
Contact left, someone down here. Nope.
Jordan, can you look at it? Oh, dude,
Looks like my dude.
Spider-Man.
Right, left. Okay, good. This is long.
This is a really big maze this year.
Yeah, this is longer than usual. Look at these cameras. They haven't connected.
Hey, look at the ventilation.
Look at the cameras. They haven't connected.
Let's go, Spider.
We're
let's
not
go.
safe.
It says exit, but how do I believe it? Red room. Oh, dude, Spider-Man, this is all you. David, get in front of me, David.
Okay.
Yo, fuck it, let's do it.
To the left. Firmly grasp it. Oh, this one right here. This one right here.
Oh my god! Ow!
Free your leader.
Oh, that's a wall. You guys are pushing me to a wall.
Oh God, huh?
No. Jordan.
Oh, brother!
No. This guy. No. Jordan. The clown, like at the end, he like purposely like avoided me, and he was walking right here. He purposely avoided me and went towards her just directly. Fucking dude. Yeah. See, no, not in the first.